And now, the last part of the secret of more energy in the morning, the secret to more chi, is the four forces flow. That flow, this flow will connect us to Earth, the universe, nature, and the mystery. We start with our feet comfortable width apart, our hands at our sides, a nice tall erect position of the spine with the knees soft. And this is where we begin. Inhale, we're pulling up the energy of Earth, Yin. Little pause at the top of the inhale, and then as we exhale, we just release a little bit of a rounding of the back, and then we inhale up. Hands come up, fingers pointed toward the sky, looking up, connecting to Yang, that energy of the universe. And then as we exhale, fingers point at each other, and we bring this energy of Yang, fiery sun and stars, down through the body, through our three treasures, to surrender. Hands. Then we inhale, forming the triangle fingers at the lotus heart jewel. Take a breath that breathes in the energy of nature, that balance of yin and yang. And then we exhale out, keeping the triangle fingers intact. Inhaling down and up, opening the lotus flower hands into the lotus heart jewel, asking a question. Who am I? Exhale down to start. Let's just do this for a bit. Inhale, yin. Exhale down, release. Inhale, connect to yang. Exhale down, feel that flow of universal chi coursing through the body, through all three of our treasures, body, lotus heart jewel, and spirit. Inhale, forming the triangle fingers at the lotus heart jewel, connecting to nature, the balance of yin and yang. Exhale out, and then inhale. Lotus flower hands at the lotus heart jewel. Why am I here? Exhale down to surrender and begin again. Let's just do this on our own for a bit. You can follow along with me, or you can get into your own synchronization. Up to you. We'll do two more. Inhale, up, connecting to yin. Exhale, feel that deep cleansing. Yin is very healing. Inhale up, connect to the universe. Fiery activity. Exhale, infusing all the cells of your body with the chi that will get this day started off in a great way for you. Inhale, triangle fingers to the lotus heart jewel. Connect to that balance of yin and yang. Exhale, push out, keeping the triangle fingers intact. Then taking another nice deep inhale as we open up to the mystery of life. What is my purpose? Exhale down to start. One more. Inhaling up, yin. Exhale down, cleanse and release. Inhale up, Gong. Exhale, infusing energetic chi. Inhale, triangle fingers, right to the lotus heart jewel, nature, balance. Exhale out, inhale. What does today hold for me? Exhale to surrender hands. And now, notice how you feel after doing the connection plug-in postures, the plug-in flows, feeling connected to yin, earth, to the universe, yang, to nature, the balance of yin and yang, and to the mystery of life, those seeds, questions planted in the fertile soil of the lotus heart jewel.